guys, it's Candy here with Crazy Ace Life, and I have another unboxing this week. This one is a little bit different. It is the Rocks box. I think that's what it's called. So anyways, here is my first Rocks box. It is actually a rental subscription. So they pick some items out for you, and you kind of look them over and you can trade them with other pieces. And then they ship the items to you, and you have 11 days to decide whether you want to purchase anything. If you do want to purchase something, the $21 rental fee goes towards that purchase. If you don't, you lose the $21, but that is actually your rental fee. So you can send the jewelry back and trade it in for different jewelry. So let's see what I got in this in. These cute little pouches. There are 3 pouches, and let's see what they are. Okay, the first item was a ring, but here you can see the ring. It's a cute, simple ring. I like it. I don't wear jewelry a lot, but I do like this ring. I think it's very pretty and simple. All right, so the next item that I have is a necklace. And this is a layered necklace. I feel like they're always getting tangled. So here's the necklace though. It's got kind of the same color as a ring, a little turquoise stone. Let me see if I can get this on. I have no fingernails. So I have, well, it's not too short actually. So here's the necklace on. I don't know if you can see that stone down there. There we go. Anyways, this is simple. It is gold. So this is a dusk layered necklace in gold. It says it is $63 to purchase. And then this ring was a Perry Street Emily ring, and it was $42. So the Perry Street Emily ring in blue ombre is $42. And I don't know if you can see that. It says ombre. The colors are kind of go from dark to light. I think it's really pretty. And the last item is, these are earrings, and they are Kendra Scott Airy Heart stud earrings in gold. And light blue magnesite, and they are $48. And here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. These are the Kendra Scott earrings, $48. So there's that. Let me know if you guys have tried Rocks box and what your thoughts are on it. I'm impressed with the jewelry. I think it's beautiful, and I'm actually excited to kind of get some more, even though I've never really been that excited about jewelry. And I will, whoops, I'm sorry, put my link below in the description, so that if you do want to try it, I think you get a free month box, and then I will get a credit. All right, guys, that was it for this unboxing, but I hope that you will join me for more unboxings. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you hit that notification bell, you'll get any updates of any new videos that are out. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.